Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is part 4. Wow, we're already at part 4. Part 4 of before you buy that course, uh, check this stuff out before you spend 10,000, 2,000, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars. Let's try to walk through it and see if we can make some money. I have made some money on Amazon, so I'm willing to share the information completely free. Okay, so last time we left off, we were talking about retail arbitrage and also online arbitrage. Now, in the last video, I was telling you you can go to some rummage sales, you can also go to the clearance racks and different stuff like that. In this video, I'm going to actually show you both how you retail arbitrage from online arbitrage and also online arbitrage. Now here what you see is a service called Brickseek. Brickseek is actually a markdown or a clearance or markdown website where they have various different stores hooked onto the portal where you can actually get some online markdowns and also some in-store markdowns. And they do have a members area where you can actually buy a membership. But a lot of this stuff is free. So before I'm gonna actually go into the in-store deals, and since we left off on retail arbitrage, so I'm gonna actually go into the in-store deals. As soon as it loads up here, I have a lot of windows open because I actually want to show you how you online arbitrage. And then a little bit of the drop shipping. We're going to actually go over drop shipping in the next video, but I want to kind of show you a little bit of how that works. So there's in store, online, or any. There's Lowe's, Macy's, Office Depot, Target, and then you have the categories and the brands. And here on the right side here, if you want to upgrade access, okay, wait for it to come up, upgrade access. Okay, so they do have a basic membership where it's just free, absolutely free, and you get a one update a day and one online a day, and then you can check your local inventory. What I recommend is the $29. If you have $30 to swing it for a month, basically $1 a day, you get 20 alerts twice daily, unlimited alerts deals. You also can check inventory, see inventory checker up to 4 times as many store results, hide items from your feed, and then the popular searches is a good one where it actually will show you what people are actually searching for, and then they have 150 of markdowns by store. Remove the ads, so as you saw before, and you can remove some of the ads that pops up, and then updated stuff. So I recommend the $29 one, but you can also do this for free by just signing up. Okay, so we're back at the title page here. So we're gonna go in store, and now if you don't have these stores, well, everybody should have these stores, but if you happen to not have these stores in your area, you wouldn't have to check it. But I like to check all of them since there are all that are in my vicinity here. And then get rid of that. Then boom, you see they start from the cheapest price. Some of them are cheap. This is a really cheap item here. You can actually go back and another thing about RA, if you can stack up and kind of project, like if you have Halloween stuff and you know you can buy Halloween stuff for cheap in August, and then you can send them in September. By the time it gets to the fulfillment place, it'll be October. So that's another thing about retail arbitrage. You want to kind of set yourself a couple seasons ahead. So we all know that school is about to end at the end of the month in most states. So all these school supplies are on sale. Now, what I would do is, what I've been doing is, I'll grab this stuff while it's cheap, and then when the end of July comes around, I'll send it in, and then that stuff will be actually worth a lot more money than it would be worth uh, in the summertime. So, and again, that's why you want to start with these low price items where you can actually afford these things before you start listing stuff like this and having that stuff sent to Amazon. Okay, so we're gonna just go into these Sharpies here. Okay, we can check the inventory. Uh, there's some other items, so we can check inventory here. And there's my zip code, and I can actually check the inventory. Okay, they're in stock in my general facility here, vicinity here. So I'm going to actually just kind of grab this. So I'm back in my Seller Central here, and I grabbed those Sharpies, and we're gonna actually see what they sell for on Amazon, and maybe we can mark them up or just send them in a little later. Okay, we're gonna add these products, and wow, create this as a new listing. I'm kind of surprised this isn't on there. So you can actually create this as a new listing, but we're not going to actually do that. We're going to do that in a different video. So we're actually not going to do that one. So we can go back to the deals here. And some of you probably wondering why I don't have my pop-up blocker on for this specific site. On this specific site, I want the pop-up blocker. Why? Is because they're going to show me online deals and different deals from different places. So as uh, you gotta move the CenturyLink, but you'll see like Kohl's or anything like that. So I just disable my pop-up blocker on this one just so I can see some stuff that's not listed on these sites. So let's actually go see if we can find another product and see if we can see where that lists for. Go back here. I'm gonna go in store again. Okay. There's an aquarium. There's all different types of stuff, guys. So you gotta actually kind of do your own research. I'm actually just showing you some of this stuff. Uh, try to keep it. Try to keep your first couple products under $250. Um, so that way you're not just overspending on price on products and making sure you're getting the right kind of products. Like, remember I just said a couple minutes ago about kind of estimating when stuff is going to actually come in. Now, this is a heated blanket. Now, we know it's it's summer coming in the summertime. Why would I want to stock up on that or grab that? Because in October, November, these are going to be selling like hotcakes, people trying to get heated blankets. So if you can get them for $9, you spend maybe $45 on them, you can actually see the retail price pretty hefty there. So you gonna kind of want, and this is what you want to do with retail arbitrage. More of retail arbitrage is kind of estimating out to the future. Online arbitrage is a little different. As you can see, most of this stuff is school supplies and home and gardening and stuff that's wintertime, like bedding sets and stuff. That's what you want to do with retail arbitrage. You kind of want to go a season or two ahead. Stuff like this is always going to be usable, so you can actually list stuff like that if you're able to list stuff. Uh, Again, for your first few times, oh, this is a barbecue set. Oh, spring. Okay, that looks pretty good. This, uh, lost my train of thought there. But there's different stuff like pots, and they got 59 pages of products. So you actually kind of got to go through this stuff on the retail side. Make sure it's in your area. You don't have to drive up outside the area. Home goods, uh, supplies, a lot of that stuff is always on sale. I would stay strictly away from like clothes, because clothes are, when they get marked down, they're usually marked down for a reason. And you kind of want to stay away from clothes, but stuff like gardening stuff is always popular during time of year. Look at that. Soil purpose, that's $149. You can actually relist that. Lego sets. Now Legos, uh, some of this stuff is going to be restricted. So Legos is really restricted as a new seller. So is Baby Alive. Anything Nintendo, any major brands like that. Okay, this backup cameras. As you get the idea here of what goes on in retail arbitrage. So we're actually going to show you now online arbitrage using the Brickseek. Okay, we're on the online section. Now, for the online section, you want to make sure you check Best Buy. You want to make sure Amazon.com is not checked. The only thing you want to do Amazon.com if you're selling stuff on the Facebook or eBay, um, or anything like that. So you can actually, make some money selling these brand new products on Facebook sales store or either Craigslist. I don't know if people still use Craigslist, but you want to make sure you check everything but Amazon.com. You don't want to make sure you don't want to have Amazon.com because you're actually going to be listing stuff on Amazon. So you don't want to have Amazon on there. Yeah, things like the DSs and iPhones and stuff, you want to stay away from those unless you're going to sell them online like Facebook, because again, these are products that you're not probably going to be able to list as a new seller. A lot of this stuff, like, oh, that looks pretty good. Again, you want to go to a pricing range, so this is a good thing here. But I don't know if JVC is actually banned. Oh wow, another cooler here. Wow. So yeah, you want to kind of, with the online, you kind of want to stick away from big products, unless in the next couple few videos I'll show you how to send them directly to Amazon from the supplier. Okay, this is good right here. Uh, as you can see, it's not as many pages as the in-store or the retail arbitrage. A lot of this stuff is stuff you're not gonna. Today is a lot of stuff you're not gonna be able to sell here. This product, guys. the Rocket Amazon and actually see what other sellers are selling it for. That's used, like new. He's 42 plus shipping, free shipping, and this is Amazon Prime. And that's why you want to do FBA, guys, because Amazon Prime is everybody has Amazon Prime, so it gives them free shipping. So you can mark your prices up a little bit. You know, even though it just got free shipping, it's not going to come from a fulfillment center, and it might take a couple days. Like today is June the 3rd, 10th and the 15th. That's kind of long for people, guys, and get it in 2 or 3 days. So that's the advantage of doing Amazon FBA, is that it comes with the Amazon Prime here. So you can actually see that. And in the next video, we're going to probably use this product, and we're going to actually start using different techniques on see if this is a profitable product using Jungle Scout. Uh, and in the next video, also, we're gonna go through some other suppliers that's not on the service here. So like things like Kohl's, Wayfair, Overstock.com, places like that, Dick's Sporting Goods that just popped up, sporting goods stores, things that you can actually list that's from stores that's not on here. Even dollar stores, Dollar Tree and Family Dollar, and some of those places like that, where you can actually send boxes of different things for very, very cheap. Okay, guys, click like, subscribe. We'll see you in video 5.